to the station and open its doors. Please remain behind the yellow safety line on track 8 until the train has fully moved into the station and open its doors. Please remain behind the yellow safety line on track 6. The 610 train to Montauk now arriving. Correction, the 610 train to Far Rockaway now arriving on track 6. Locust Meadow, Laurelton, Rosedale, Valley Stream, Gibson, Hewlett, Woodmere, Cedarhurst, Lawrence, Inwood, and Far Rockaway. The 610 train to Huntington scheduled to depart from track 7 has been recorded operating 9 minutes behind scheduled time. The train to Montauk will be leaving from track 8 at 6:17. Please remain behind the yellow safety line on track 8 until the train is fully pulled into the station and open its doors. No passenger trains track 7 and 5. That is the 610 train to Far Rockaway now arriving on track 6. Please allow passengers to exit the train before boarding. Please remain behind the yellow safety line on track 8. Remain behind the yellow safety line on track 8. Attention passengers, the 610 train to Huntington will be leaving from track 4. This is a track change for this evening. This train is currently operating 9 minutes behind schedule time. Batesville, Syosset, Cold Spring, Orange,